susceptibility. So we can say as intensity of magnetization, magnetization I has been observed, as intensity of magnetization I has been observed, it has been found the intensity of magnetization depends on magnetic intensity H. As magnetic intensity increases, the intensity of magnetization also increases. The intensity of magnetization also increases. So the relation between them is given as I is proportional to H. And now when we are removing proportionality sign, one term we are getting, that is called psi. So psi is a constant called susceptibility of matter. Susceptibility of matter, and the value of psi is the susceptibility of diatomic, diamagnetic substances is a negative, while paramagnetic substances, its value is positive but very small. And for ferromagnetic substances, its value is positive and large. Now, since or we can say for vacuum means when none of the magnetic material is kept. For vacuum, when no magnetic material is kept, no magnetic material is kept, so there is no intensity of magnetization. So there is no magnetization in vacuum, no magnetization in vacuum. So I is equal to 0 for vacuum. So that gives us susceptibility is also 0. That gives us this is 0, or susceptibility for vacuum is 0. This is the meaning of susceptibility here. Now come to the another term, permeability.